Alright, what's going on, y'all? So, if you've been watching the videos, you can see I kind of just been putting little here and there stuff for some work that I've been doing lately. So, I think I'm gonna start doing more videos like that to pass time. And my next project for my car, I'm doing an amp rack. So, hopefully I have all that together soon enough. But I'm redoing my amp rack, doing a little wall to go behind the seat. So when you let the seat down, it'll be like a whole design or whatever. But all of that should be coming soon. I got a few cars lined up. Should be something serious, but I'll start getting a little more frequent with the videos then, and keep bringing some good quality stuff out. But I'll get back with y'all.